Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to set up your list in Google Tasks. I'm sure you're all familiar with this one. This is gonna be Google Calendar. And before, as usual, we're used to seeing the task on this option on the right side corner. If you click on this option right there, you'll see the task on this side. You can add your task like so. I'm pretty sure you're familiar with this one. However, with this new feature, Google added this option. On the top right corner, you'll see Switch to Calendar, which is currently we have right now, and this checkbox right there that says Switch to Task. If I click on the Switch to Task right now, I'll arrive on this platform. Basically, it's a new view, wherein mostly we prioritize tasks. And if you're gonna ask me, I love this so much rather than having it on the right side. Because for example, if I have it on the right side like so, it will be distracting. Personally, there is a lot of lists going on here. Not like my end right here, just for sample purposes. I'm sure you have a list there with so much and it's pretty distracting. That's why Google gave us this one, and pretty sure we'll just hover it right now. So my tip for you is have it organized as much as possible. Even though this is an organization tool, make it organized as much as you can. For example, I have 3 sections right here. One for family, one for work. The one I put in family is for personal use. For example, go to the dentist, appointment with the hospital, and so on and so forth. Work are basically work-loaded. For example, meeting at 5, etc, etc. Now, I can simply hover one task from work, drag it on my task, and sample for family, drag it like so. And then, if I go back to calendar, like so, and open up my task, and look for my task right there, I can simply work on this right now, so I don't become overwhelmed on what I have to do. Basically, that's my way there, that's my sharing for you guys. Also, if you go back here, you can simply create a new list. For example, new list, like so, and you can add your task like there. Just put in sample or name of the task. You can also click on the details, date and time, and so on and so forth. Also, some additional information for you is that if you're here on the master list or the calendar list like here, if you go on your calendar view, as you can see right there, if you open your task, you'll have your task on the right side, right? And wait for it to load up, you can click on that one. So one of each is going to be removed once you click it. Now, if you focus back on the switch to task, for example, you want to drag down your work, like so. For example, I've added sample 1 on my task list and go back to calendar view, you'll see sample 1 has been added. So if I remove everything like so, and then go back to my task list, I can hover this one, take it over there, one for sample family. And just for the sake of the discussion, let me just give it a second here. I'm gonna grab this one also, sample from new list. And then if I go back to calendar, there they are. I can just simply take them one at a time, so I won't get overwhelmed on what to do on the day. So that is basically it. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.